talk about comparison operator. Comparison operator are the operators we used them to compare two values. If we have two values 10 and 20, then we will use comparison operator to find out which value is greater or which value is smaller. We use these comparison operators in if and else statement, in to make mark sheet or etc. In various in many times we use comparison operator. So for that we have and main point is comparison operator will always give the value in true or false. It will not give the value like 10, 20 or any string value. It will only give the value is true or false. Okay, so we have these are comparison types of operator. We have these types. We will use double equal to for equal to sign. Okay, we have equal to also. We have equal to and we have double equal to. So what is the difference between equal to and double equal to? So equal to will assign the value in the variable. If I will write like this, a equal to 10, a equal to 10. So what happened here? Here I am assigning 10 value into the variable which named is a. Okay, so I am assigning 10. I have assigned 10 to the a variable, but in double equal to operator, it is comparing left side LHS. It's comparing left side to RHS, right hand side. Okay, so this is the difference between 1 equal to and 2 equal to. Okay, so for that we will use I will take x equal to 10 and y equal to 20 as my two variables. Now I will use comparison operator to compare both the values. Okay, I will use comparison operator. So print, I will first try this equal to print x equal to y. So it will check the condition. If x is equal to y means 10 is equal to 20, then it will return the value true, that my statement is true. But if x does not equal to y, then it will return the value false. Okay, so it will return the value false. So I will run this code. So as you can see, this is false because x does not equal to 20. X is not equal to 20 here. Simple. Second one, I will use this not equal to operator. This will tell me that x is not equal to y. X not equal to operator and y. So if x is not equal to y means 10 is not equal to 20, this will return the value true. And if x is equal to 20, then it will return the value false. So let's see what will happen here. X is not equal to y. Okay, so it will return here true as a value. True, as you can see, it is true. X is not equal to true. Okay, for third operator we will use print. Third operator is greater than. I'll use x greater than y. So it will compare the value. My value of x is 10 and value of y is 20. So x is according to the condition, x is less than 20, but I am checking that if x is greater than y or not. So it will return false value. As you can see, I am running the code. It has returned false value. Okay, now I will check the operator less than. I'll use x less than y. So according to the condition, according to general thought, x is less than y. As we can see, value of x is 10 and value of y is 20. So x is less than y. So it will return the value true. As you can see, it has returned the value true. Next operator is greater than equal to. I'll use print x greater than equal to y. It will check the condition. If x is greater than, first it will check the condition greater than, and then it will check the condition. If not greater, then it should be equal to, then it will return the value true. But in this case, x is not greater than y and not equal to y, so it will return false value. As you can see, it has written for false value. My last but not the least, my last comparison operator is x less than equal to y. So it will return true value because x is 10 and it is less than equal to y, so it will return as a true value. As you can see, it has written true value. Okay, if I have to separate this all value, then I will use here print only. I'll use here one string, just string, only string. It will return this. As you can see, we have given this space here. Okay, we will use this in every each and every by control C, control V, control V here, control V here, control V here. So you will see space in all values. As you can see, space in all values. Okay, that's about it. That's all about comparison operators. So comparison operators are the operators used to compare two values and it will return true, either true or false. Okay.